Hi there, welcome to the Franknit Sewing Machines YouTube channel once again. We're going to have a look at the Bernina anniversary edition because this year they were celebrating 125 years in business. So as a special treat for us all, they brought out some exclusive limited edition gold anniversary editions of the 770 and the 790. These are really limited stock, so we've actually got one here in store for you to all have a look at, which we're going to get out and have a little coo over. And also we've got one on the way that's going to be delivered in January 2019, just to date this video. And so these are the last two that we're going to actually have in stock. So it'll be a case of, if you fall in love with it, get in there quick, because these are limited edition. There's no more available now to order. But we're going to have a look at it anyway, because you do get something else pretty special with it as well. So yeah, let's have a look inside, because we haven't had this out yet at all. We saw them at the show at Festival of Quilts, and I don't think I've seen one since. So, we've got our standard accessory tray. I'll just pop that over there for the moment. And the machine itself. So we'll get that out, and then we'll have a look at the additional accessories that you get with this model. So we're going to put this one on display, and then we're not going to touch it. So you get your limited edition bag, the cover, sorry, it's not a bag, it's just the slip cover, but with the gold embroidery on it for the anniversary. All sorts of bits in here, buttonhole foot. And then I'll take off some of the cover and we can have a look at the machine itself. Here we are. The grand unveiling. They very carefully packed this, like so, as to preserve the gold frontage. Ta-da! Lovely. So it's the smooth gold finish. It's really classy looking actually, and you've got the anniversary edition monogramming as well. Very nice. So the other edition that you get with this model, I'll just push this back a little bit just so that we can get some of the accessories in down here, is, I'll just pop these bits in here. I'll bring the tray over so we can have a look. So as standard, you're getting the table and power lead and everything in there. So that's our first layer of the tray. This is like a lovely Bernina cake in here. Knee lift and your accessory box, that's kind of all the normal bits and bobs. And then what we're also getting, BSR, also standard, but as a special, and this is one you cannot buy separately at all, is the anniversary ruler foot. So this is a gold plated ruler foot, and this is only coming with this model. Obviously foot number 72, the ruler foot is available all year round, but this is special with this machine, so let's have a little look. Oh, and you get the gold thread as well. Very blink. Just something to covet, isn't it? Not something you'd use all the time, but certainly a beautiful piece of engineering in gold plate. So it's up to you whether you'd use it or keep it as a special memento. But that's the tin that it comes in as well. You never know, it could be worth something in the future. But we'll keep all of this packed up with the machine, because what we're going to do is keep just the head out on display. We're not going to use it at all, just so that people can actually see it in the flesh. And yeah, so do come if you're a fan of Berninas, it's worth to come and have a look. And like I said, the last two remaining in stock now, this one and one that's coming in January, so grab them whilst you can. Ooh. Thanks very much for watching. Let us know how much you love it below. Bye for now.